intern program is so important to us. We're bringing in creative minds who can show us a new perspective, a new way to look at things. What better way to get new ideas and new perspectives than new people?
I chose to do an internship at Crestron because I heard from multiple people that the Crestron internship was a really well-rounded internship and that I would gain a lot of experience and knowledge from it.
From day one I could tell that Crestron was going to give me real-world experience, and that's what it has been this entire time.
This isn't a summer job. This is a true internship in every meaning of the word. It's an educational opportunity for us and for you.
This experience has taught me that I'm way more capable of things than I think I am.
I'm doing things that I love, like emails, social media, paid, organic social. So it's really exciting because I know I want to do that in the future, so every day is just exciting.
Everyone displays like different kind of talents, and like every day I get to flex like new skills. I never thought that I would be able to code as much as I have been able to in an internship.
It definitely surprised me how active this kind of job can be.
I feel like I am working with a family rather than just a company as a whole.
We get to work with everyone, and everyone's always coming to us, which I love because I'm able to collaborate with different people and help them out.
The people that work at Crestron, they're always willing to help you out, fill you in on what's going on, and make you feel more confident in your abilities.
I really like the fact that I have a mentor who I connect with once a week, and he always checks in on me.
And what you learn will really carry you through the professional world and through school.
Sets us up to succeed in the real world.
If you are looking for real responsibility and a real world experience, that interning at Crestron is a no-brainer.